Hello Freedom Traders, this is your boy Conis FT. Once more again today guys, I'm gonna bring up something new, and it's always like not actually being new, but it's the same thing we do all the time. But I want us to be always looking at the charts in a new way, always looking at the charts differently, but staying and sticking to our basics, which is our strategy that we've been practicing every day now for some time. So once more again guys, I will plunge straight into the video, and let's do the back testing, and we go to the daily. So today is Euro USD. Our strategy is simple guys. Look at the structure, the market structure. Let's say this A, that was Friday 1st December 2017, Euro USD. What could we have done? First, as usual, we see put our guards. The market is kind of going to a downtrend, so this is done already. Put our key levels. This is our take profit. That is our take profit level. Then we look at the candlesticks. So this is our resistance. We put our resistance. This is our support. We will be having other supports here, like here and there, but the main thing, our take profit, is here. So this will be a support. This other one will be a support, but our take profit is this one. Let me enlarge it. That is if the market comes back down, but if it continues to go up, of course this would be our take profit guys. That is if the market continues to go up. So, but before we take profit, let's check what is the market saying and what is it doing before we enter, before we take a position. So okay, it hit the first support, and okay, it's kind of just going down straight. It has shown a reversal signal, but we cannot just start buying here because it's below the moving average. We can only start buying at this above here. So we have to be patient. Patience is the key guys. Patience is the key. If you can be patient enough in the forex market, first you will stop losing money if you are patient, because you will reduce the number of trades you make per day or per week. That is the first thing you have to do. Then secondly, you'll be able to enter only significant entries, entries of high probability of you making money off. Then that's it. So we could put an entry here, say the market went back up and rejected the moving average. So now it's we can say, okay, we're gonna sell. We can put our short position here now, and same as I say all the time guys, always take profit when it's necessary. So why I'm entering here, price came down, broke the support, came right down here, went back and retested the support and rejected at the same time. So showing that price is ready to continuously go down. And it's not like we'll only take our profit here. As I said, as I started with, we can still take our first take profit here before the final one here. So that was it guys. Okay, so actually it actually came down. It didn't hit the first take profit, just a few pips from, that's just 5 pips from take it from the first take profit. Then it went back up and got us kicked out. So this is also a buy signal, but not a buy confirmation, though a bullish candle momentum. As I said, we only buy above here, and we only buy when we find a signal. So we were actually in for we actually were in for profit, but because of 5 pips, unless for those who could, like in a live trade, at least at the 15 minutes or 1 hour time frames, you must have noticed prices going back, and price must have formed reversal signals at the lower time frames. That is when you could have gone out of your trade. And also another thing is, this was actually our a take profit for this one, but we cannot go. It didn't make sense at all. So trades like this, guys, you never regret, you never cry yourself out that you made a mistake. No, this was actually a trade respecting our setup, and it went the way it went. We could still take out some profits manually. If we didn't, then it is what it is. But we keep on maintaining our setup and our strategy. So right now, this is a buy signal. As I said, we cannot buy. We will buy here, but only when we have a buy confirmation. We cannot buy. This is just a signal, but not a confirmation. So whenever I put this position, then that is when I actually find I saw a position, a confirmation before you see me putting that. So okay, so this one, guys, it's very tricky. It can be another sell signal to continue to hit our take profit here, or it might be a buy signal, but we can only buy this by a buy stop. Yeah, we can only do a buy stop here. That is a buy stop, but I would encourage, I will stay. If price breaks here and go up, then we take our profit up here. Though as usual, we have to take right up here, but we take our first take profit there. And again, we are not going to, as I said, we are not going to sit down and cry ourselves out for missing out the first trade. No, always I will do. If you follow me, you know I always put 3 trades, and this is what it is, guys. We put this one here. If that be the case, then I don't know if it's clear. We have to remove this one. Okay, we can remove this one. So this might look bizarre, guys, but in cases like this, this should have been the best buy signal. But the problem is the body is small and the wick is very long. So though it still remains a bullish, and a bullish engulfing candle, but the body does not tell us exactly the same thing. The body kind of gives us a hammer, a hanging man, or yeah, we can say a hanging man or a shooting star, which which actually indicates a continuous sell. And so that's why I prefer to put both sides. There are sell stops and buy stops, by the way. So if it triggers here, we're expecting to take profit here still, then down here. So guys, let's go. Okay, it triggered up, so we should be expecting to take profits right up there. But we're still gonna leave this sell stop running should in case. Yeah, so it triggered already up there. So our buys are already running. We are in profit. We are continuously in. We are still in profit. So guys, it always lingers around. Being capable of holding. Yeah, being capable of holding or getting out. Because first, we know this is a trend line. It's the reason why we put it here. So if price can reach here, we can also take our profit. It's also a place to take our profit because we are not sure price is going to break it or not. So so far I haven't seen a sell indication for us to kind of get out now. So I can still continue to hold, and for those who don't want to hold, you can get out. So okay, this is what I was saying. It did hit this trend line. At this point, guys, you just have to get out because the trend line also acts as a guard, as I said. That is why they are there. You see how it hit the trend line and quickly came back. So this indicates that the trend line is not always broken that way. So though we were expecting to take our profit right here, but the trend line is there. So here we collect our, we can get out at this level or at this point and observe what price wanna do here before us either re-entering or just getting out. So at this point we get out, we got back our loss from the previous from this trade here. We already got our loss. I mean, we already recovered from our loss, so I think with some profits also. So for the third trade now, we have to check or look out what's going on. And okay, so it was a good one, guys. Actually, it went up and hit, it broke the trend line. This is a good one. It broke the trend line, went up and hit our first take profit. But as I said, to be safe, when it hits the trend line like this, you can get out. But some people have different maybe you already kind of like very confident, you could hold. It's still a good thing, but to play on the safe side, guys, you get up. Yeah, so this already we are in profits because just here um, uh, you must have got recovered from your loss, then the rest was profit. And that's it, guys. Okay, so um, see what I was saying from the beginning of the video. I put this as take profit because there is a reason for this. My previous videos I explained why I always put this one as take profit, and you will find more if you watch previous videos, or if you continue to watch, you understand why I always put that as take profit. And this strategy, how it worked out here, it's just to show you when you lose, you don't give up, you continuously follow and stick to your principles and be disciplined. You end up recovering from your loss and making profits as seen in this video. So thank you, guys. Welcome again, and make sure you like and subscribe and follow for more contents like this one.